In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the use of multi-axial contacts in Wiring Planner. For this demo, I'm going to use an Amphenol 38999 connector, and I'm going to select this one, the 17-2, which has 38 22D contacts and a single 8-gauge twin-ax contact. The part number for that is D38999/26WE2PN. And I also have open here the page that gives the contact part numbers. So for the number 8 twin-ax, that's going to be an M39029/90-529. And for the 22D, it will be M39029/107-620. So to start, I'm going to open my library, and in the connectors folder, I'm going to add a folder called 38999. And then in that folder, I'm going to add a subfolder for contacts. In the contacts folder, I'll add a contact, and I'll start with the 22D contact. And down here in the properties, I'm going to enter part number, and in the description, and then when you create a contact, you can select pin or socket, and that is the part number for the pin. And I'm going to select the gauge. And then I'll add a second contact for the twin-ax. So far, the twin-ax and the standard contact look the same. So the next step is to right-click on the twin-ax contact and add a contact, and that places a contact underneath the main contact. And I need 3 contacts for twin-ax. The first signal I will name A, the second signal I will name B, a G for ground. All right, now I have both my contacts. In this 38999 folder, I'm going to now add the connector. Now for my description, what I like to do is give a description of the contacts. Since I have 38 of one and 1 of the other, I'll put a total of 39 contacts in and then click the contacts button. Since all of the contacts except for one contain the 22D contact, I'm going to select the row above the first cavity, and I will select in the 38999 contacts folder, I'll select the 22D, and that applies it to all of them. And then the very last contact, number 39, is going to be different. It's going to be the twin-ax contact. So my connector is complete. If I expand it and look, it has 39 contacts. Now, if I instantiate it, when no contacts are exposed, the circle is filled, indicating that it's a group node. But as I expose contacts, I'm going to show a couple of standard contacts, and then I'm going to show the twin-ax contact. Now, the standard contacts are open circles, meaning that you can connect a conductor, but 39 is again a group node. So in order to expose that, I will go to the model where this was instantiated. And now when I go to 39, notice that it's expandable. So if I expand it, I see my 3 contacts. I'm going to select all 3 contacts and drag them and drop them onto the connector. And now those are showing. And I can easily connect a conductor to any of them.